Good morning, afternoon or evening, wherever you're joining us from, and welcome to this webinar launching WisuAlarm to the United Kingdom and Ireland. My name's Michael Lawrence, I'm the Marketing Director responsible for this region, and I'll be joined by Steve Boggis, our Sales Director responsible for developing and growing the opportunities for WisuAlarm and delivering great value to partners. He's busy building our team and developing partnerships to ensure our future success. Now, as you registered for this webinar, you're in with a chance of winning some amazing prizes. So please keep your eyes peeled on the chat to see if you've won. We'll announce at the end of the webinar on the chat and through our social media channels. On that point, when you get a moment, give us a follow on LinkedIn or check out our website. You'll get all the links at the end of the webinar and we'll share with each of you through email a little later on today. WisuAlarm is relatively unique in the UK and Ireland markets. We're one of very few who design, manufacture, fulfill and support products in this market. We're part of Dahua Technology, a business with more than 4 billion of annual sales, over 23,000 employees and investment in R&D, over 10% of our turnover each year. And in 2022, that was 561 million. Dahua is distributed in over 180 countries with extensive experience as a global manufacturer. This provides an incredible foundation to deliver world-class fire detection, alarms and suppression technologies to our markets locally. As you'd expect, our WisuAlarm manufacturing capabilities are extensive. There are 51 surface mount technology dual track production lines delivering increased efficiency. We have 36 automated assembly platforms and 90 automated testing lines. Add to this 16 wave soldering machine lines and 260 production lines with a blend of full automation, semi-automation and manual lines make up a strong foundation to bring high quality products to market. We comply with the latest standards and are always looking for ways to differentiate and enhance the experience for installers and end users. The WisuAlarm range is extensive and meets the needs of all markets, be it DIY, professional trade and commercial installations. We have DIY, smoke heat, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide detectors, many of which are already available here in the UK and Ireland. On the other extreme, we have addressable panels.
It can communicate up to 1.5 kilometers from the control panel to the nodes, ensuring reliable coverage with ultra-low power consumption.
We have a commercial detection systems.
Attention please, fire detected. Attention please, fire detected.
And even firefighting robots. You won't be seeing those too soon here locally, but do you have any customers internationally who may benefit? Please take a look at our website and get in touch. In the United Kingdom and Ireland, our focus is on the professional trade market. We're delighted to bring mains heat, smoke and professional gateways in addition to several other products to meet the needs of the professional installer. Steve will take you through the products soon to give you an idea of what we have available. So why are we focused on professional trade? Well, in summary, the market is significant and our products fit extremely well with customers in this sector in the United Kingdom and Ireland. In the United Kingdom, there are between 8 to 9 million private sector landlord and social housing dwellings, all requiring alarms compliant with BS 5839-6. This breaks down to approximately 5 million in England and a further 500,000 in Wales and Northern Ireland. In Scotland, a requirement is in place for interlinked fire alarms in all homes, including private sector, social housing and owner-occupied dwellings. Every domestic dwelling must have interlinked alarms, therefore all 2.5 million dwellings need professional protection. Ireland similarly introduced legislation in 2022 requiring all domestic properties to have interlinked mains-powered alarms. With just over 2 million properties, there's a significant task, an opportunity for professional installers. Our products are fully certified and ready. We're building our team and channel partners and excited to deliver excellent quality and value to the market. So what does WisuAlarm stand for? intelligence. WisuAlarm never stops pursuing technological advancements to deliver products and services that address our customers' needs. Innovation. We're constantly finding inspiration to expand our thoughts and ideas to get beyond what we've always done and transition from idea to implementation of smarter designs, technologies, products and services. And if you have feedback, we're always willing to listen. And as we manufacture, it's easier for us to implement changes more rapidly. Responsibility. We work diligently to deliver the most reliable fire safety products to our customers. Protecting one home at a time, we take our responsibility to make the world a little safer. Quality. Quality is the eternal pursuit of everything we do. All of our products have been extensively tested by both our own quality control team and third-party certification agencies. WisuAlarm is your perfect partner for fire safety solutions. If you're an installer looking to install great quality and great value products, then please get in touch. If you're a wholesaler with a customer base who would benefit, then also please get in touch. We're set for strong growth and have plans to support. Join us on this journey and delivering excellent solutions to customers across the United Kingdom and Ireland. So over to Steve to take us through some of the products and the technical aspects of the products. Over to you, Steve.
Hi, I'm Steve Boggis. I'm the Sales Director for WisuAlarm for UK and Ireland. I'm excited to present our company and our range of products to you today. More importantly is to talk about the BS 5839 Part 6, which is the code of practice for the design, installation, commissioning and maintenance of fire detection systems in domestic properties. WisuAlarm is a manufacturer of domestic smoke detectors, and I'm very proud to work for such an innovative company and to be able to give you an insight into our product range and our company today. So a little bit about WisuAlarm. We are manufacturers of domestic smoke, heat and CO detectors. That's really important for us. It's really about the quality, the reliability, the backup and the service, and to become a really trusted brand within the UK and the Irish markets and globally. The really important factor for me is that 50% of the workforce are employed in R&D. That means that we're always looking at innovative ideas to improve upon the existing alarms that we currently manufacture. And also 10% of our total revenue number is reinvested back into R&D to give us that scope to produce quality, reliable products for the future. So what I'd like to talk to you today about is the alarms. As you can see here, the type of alarms that we do are smoke alarms, which are interconnected, connected smoke alarm, and the interconnected heat alarm. These can work as a hybrid system for the D1 10-year sealed for life mains powered alarms. Interconnected CO alarm. So basically they all talk to one another. They have a built-in module. So when one alarm goes off, they all go off. So it actually alerts the householder as to what the problem is and where the problem is, more importantly. You don't need to constantly rewire and do all the work to have these alarms around the property. You can just interconnect those with a plug-in module. There's been a lot of noise about damp and mould within social housing properties, and not just social housing, in any property. We also have the sealed battery environmental sensor for damp and mould. These can be put into any areas of property in the property where damp and mould exists, and alerts the tenant or the customer that there is an issue. It's discreet and secure. The environmental sensor can be placed throughout a property to monitor temperature, humidity and carbon dioxide, providing actionable insights to enable the creation of healthier, safer homes. It will also pick up condensation, damp, mould and indoor air quality. It's easy to install and manage. It gathers data on indoor environmental conditions. It's suitable for wall or ceiling mounted and comes with a 10-year sealed for life battery. Then we go on to the mains powered smoke alarms, and we do the mains powered heat alarms. These are generally used in social housing and new build sites within the UK. And then we have the mains powered heat alarm for kitchens. They're powered and they have a 10-year sealed for life battery. The gradings on the alarms, these mains powered alarms come under the category of D1, and the interconnected smoke and heat alarm that are non-powered but do have a 10-year sealed for life battery would come under the F1 grading. We also do the mains powered smoke alarms for the new build private sector, which will be the D2 alarms. These are very similar. The only difference would be these are 10-year sealed battery, and the D2 alarms will be 9-volt replaceable. The current gradings within the smoke detector market is around LD3, LD2 and LD1. LD1 is for all rooms within the property, so it protects every single room. Grade 2 is generally kitchen, the most habitable room, which could be a living room. We'd see a heat alarm within the kitchen and a CO alarm where there's a fuel burning appliance. And the LD3 would be in the scape routes for a property, so that would be minimum protection, which is generally landing and hallway. Then we have the wireless gateway. The wireless gateway is predominantly used within social housing. The idea of that is a professional cloud-based for landlords. So it will determine how the products are performing. So for example, if somebody hears an alarm that's going off and they take the head of the alarm off, they don't always replace. Or if they want to take the battery out of the alarm for any reason, even though they're sealed, it will alert you that that alarm is not operating as it should. So the important thing to remember with any of our alarms, they actually work with any TV remote control that's infrared. Therefore, you do not have to stand on a chair or use a ladder, or in some cases that I've seen where people have used broom handles to turn the alarms off and then destroy the alarms. So that's a really important feature with all of our alarms, that they work with any infrared TV remote control. The interconnected CO alarm also comes with temperature and humidity, which is a really important feature for our carbon monoxide alarms. We also have the WisuAlarm app that works with all our smoke and heat and CO detectors. It's a mobile app that's user-friendly, and it alerts and sends notification to your mobile phone or one of your relatives' mobile phones when there is something untoward happening within your smoke alarm system. And this works in conjunction with our wireless gateway. The wireless gateway is either Ethernet, so it plugs into your home router at home, or it can be used with any SIM where there's no broadband connection within the property. All of our alarms are certified by the most stringent international standards. So within the UK, it's recognised as BSI. The important thing with our alarms as well, we have split spectrum sensors within our alarms. What that means is there's fewer false alarms by distinguishing smoke and vapour and dust. And the really good feature with our products is continuous protection, early smoke and fire warnings for immediate action. As I said earlier, it's really about the interconnected part of the smoke alarm system, where one alarm goes off, they all go off. The WisuAlarm Gateway range offers the highest level of protection for you and your family. So there is a choice with all our alarms, whichever you should choose. You have the standalone smoke, heat and CO alarms. You also have the interconnectable heat, smoke and CO alarms. And then we touched on the mains powered alarms, whether it's D1 or D2, depending on the property that it's being installed into. Everything works in conjunction with the hub. And the gateway hub will alert you, send you notifications either via desktop or via your WisuAlarm app. So this is an exciting time for WisuAlarm as a business. We don't stop here. As I said, we're constantly innovating and looking for new products to put into our product portfolio to meet the current demand within the marketplace. We're often talking to installers on a regular basis and specifiers to understand what their expectations are, not just of a product, but of a company and its service. You can find out more at the WisuAlarm website, and we will keep you posted with any updates that we bring into our products. So whether you're an installer, a specifier, or a wholesaler and wanting more information, please see our link below. And I'll now hand you over to Michael.
Thank you, Steve. I hope you'll agree it's a strong range suitable for many applications. If you're interested in knowing more, please email or get in contact with us. So we've got a little bit of time left so we can take a few questions on the chat here. Just ask your question and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. While we do this, let's draw for the prizes. We'll announce through the chat and online. Good luck, everyone. So thank you from Steve, myself, and the rest of the team for joining this webinar. It's the start of what promised to be an exciting journey for us here in the United Kingdom and Ireland. Have a great day, and we look forward to speaking with you soon. Thank you.